Meizu today announced the M6S, the latest addition to its family of M smartphones. It is the first Meizu device to adopt a 18:9 screen with narrow bevels at the top and bottom, joining the ranks of Apple, OnePlus, Xiaomi and other smartphone companies that are moving towards a design without bevel. Also, like Apple, Meizu has recorded a notch on this phone, except that here, it's on the side, making room for a power button and a fingerprint sensor. The M6S has a 5.7-inch screen with a resolution of 1440 x 720 and is slightly larger than its predecessor, the M6. Note: the phone is powered by Exynos 7872 6-core Samsung processor, instead of a Qualcomm Snapdragon processor, and has a 3000 mAh battery. The M6S includes a 16-megapixel rear camera with an aperture f/2.0. It has an 8-megapixel front camera that has a beauty mode, which edits the complexion and shape of a face in real time. The phone has 3 GB of RAM and 32 GB or 64 GB of storage options. There is also an SD card slot that can support up to 128 GB.